are, say hi.
Hello.
Hello. We are in Wailua. Say hi, Mom. Hi, guys. We're in Wailua. And Shane, what are you trying to do? Thanks. Show us. She's trying to break the stick. Look at all the trees. There's a bunch of sticks in it. Yeah, thanks. So we just had our lunch at this amazing park. I'll show you in a second. But it has nice benches and a bathroom. And now we're gonna go to the beach. So let's go. We had some Paalakai bakery food.
Oh my god.
Miss. That was a miss. That was a miss. Hey, bada bada, hey, bada bada. Oh! So, something really important happened. We got 3 dozen snow puppies from Paalakai Bakery because Grandma's birthday was on a certain day that was on the receipt. And so we got 12 for free. Right?
Yes, sir.
12 for free. Thanks to Grandma.
We're selling it for $2 a piece.
We're selling it. Yeah.
Let's watch these guys right now.
Look at them. Wait, are they gonna like fight? Like, is that the one where they're gonna fight?
Are we playing?
There's a plane. Go Binks. Be aesthetic and get out of the car. Oh yes. Close the door. So guys, we're at the beach. The sun's finally out. Yes. Hey guys, look at this beautiful beach. It's so nice. It's kind of windy. We saw a big animal in the water. It was a big animal. I don't know what it was. What do you think that animal was, Mom? Mom says it was a mug seal, but it was huge and it swam really fast. And I thought it was like a shark or something. Yeah. Anyways. Let's look at the hat I bought Skylar. Hurry, get it! Oh no! Ah! And it matches his swimming shorts. Yes, yes, Even if Shayna puts sand all on my towel, I'm still enjoying it because just gotta enjoy life. Life is too short to not enjoy it, so. Oh, looks like it's gonna be a Cats game. We are leaving the beach right now, guys. Say goodbye to the beautiful ocean. For now, just for now. Look at all of the windsurfers, right? Parasailing. So guys, right now we went home and we all showered. And we got all pretty. And now we're going to a graduation party. So let's go. Go! Let's go!
Yep.
Yes, now I remember.
Skylar what?
Knucklehead.
Right, and how do you know Hunter?
I've been his teammate for like a long time.
9 years?
Yeah, since 12 years old.
Wow, so you played on Arsenal and ISO and I-9 and Waipahu High School?
Oh, no.
Yeah, Nationals in Florida.
Oh, all right. Congratulations. Did you go to Waipahu also?
I went to Campbell.
Oh, you don't belong at this party. All are welcome at this party, right? Congratulations to you graduated too. Congratulations. All right, here is your prize. Salamat po. You must say salamat po to everyone before you leave the stage.
Salamat po.
Just finished the party. It was super fun and we got to dance. Shayna and Skylar both danced with me. You can sit back now. Oh no, the light. Okay. Anyways, we're gonna end the vlog. Always remember to live life and
Be careful.
bye.